Nestled in the heart of Michigan, the town of St. John's offers that perfect balance of small-town charm and peaceful living. Wide, quiet streets, beautiful homes surrounded by nature, and neighbors who still wave when they walk by. It's the kind of place where every home has a story, and we're proud to help make those stories a little brighter. Here, just a few minutes from downtown St. John's, our team had the chance to transform an outdoor space that had seen better days. The old deck was starting to splinter and weather, and the homeowners dreamed of something new. A place where they could sit back, relax, and truly enjoy their surroundings. We designed and built a brand new treated wood deck, solid, smooth, and built to last for years to come. Then we added a custom roof structure over it, creating a covered porch that blends seamlessly with the home style. Now, it's more than just a deck. It's an outdoor retreat, a space made for family gatherings, morning coffee, or simply listening to the breeze through the trees. From above, you can see how this project fits perfectly within the beauty of the St. John's community. Surrounded by nature, open skies, and that unmistakable Michigan charm. We're proud to bring craftsmanship and care to every project we build, one home, one neighborhood at a time. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about building decks and roofs. It's about building spaces people love to live in.